Hello, let's discuss on chromosome related disorder. The first one is the anomalies in the number of sex chromosome. So the first disorder is the Turner syndrome. This syndrome was first described by a person named Turner in 1938, and this syndrome arises because of the monosomy, that is absence of one X chromosome, that is sex chromosome in the female. During gamete formation in both male and female, meiosis results in the separation of the sex chromosome. That is, in case of female, the two sex chromosome, that is XX, will be separated with one X this side and the other X this side. In case of male, XY means one X, one this side and one will be other side. But due to non-disjunction, the meiosis failed to separate this sex chromosome, and hence this female produces one egg without any sex chromosome and one egg with sex chromosome having both XX chromosome. Now, during fertilization, the fertilization, the male gametes, that is X and Y, will be separated by meiosis into X and Y. That means the gametes have only one sex chromosome. This side also, it was supposed to be X and X. However, due to non-disjunction, the meiosis failed to separate the sex chromosome. So one do not have any sex chromosome, and one ova or egg will contain this both the sex chromosome, that is XX. So fertilization of this egg by the male gametes will result in, when this eggs will fuse with this gametes, this ova or egg, and will give rise to XO. That means one sex chromosome is missing here. It can be X, it is X. So the one of the sex chromosome, that is X, is missing here. So here there is only one sex chromosome. The individual will have only one sex chromosome. Now this X will also fuse with this one and will give rise to 3. 1X and 2X means 3X. That is, this condition is called as triplo X. Tri means 3. Now this Y will fuse with the egg without any sex chromosome, so YO. And this male gamete will also fuse with the gamete of the ova of the female carrying 2 X sex chromosome. So this will give rise to XX and Y. Now this individual with one sex chromosome, only one sex chromosome, develop into Turner syndrome. This 3X will contain 47 chromosome with 3 sex chromosome, and it will develop into the syndrome called as super female. This will contain extra X chromosome, and it will develop into the syndrome called as Klinefelter. So Turner syndrome develop in female, and Klinefelter syndrome develop in male. Let's discuss on the Turner syndrome. Now this Turner syndrome arises because of the fusion of the one X of the male gametes with the egg of the female without any sex chromosome. So this will contain, one X will contain 22 autosome plus one sex chromosome, and this egg will contain 22 autosome and no sex chromosome. So fertilization of this will give rise to 44 plus X, that is 45. So 22 plus 22 means 44, plus X will give arise from this, so 45. The normal one should be one sex chromosome should be coming from this, so that it will become 46. But due to absence of one sex chromosome here, it gives rise to 45 sex chromosome. So this disorder is called as Turner syndrome, and this type of syndrome develop in male, and these are the female that is suffering from this syndrome are sterile, with poor breast and small uterus, and this condition of sterility is also called as gonadal dysgenesis. The second one is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome developed in males. In this case, male possesses one extra X chromosome. This occurred due to non-disjunction of the sex chromosome. Here, the Y is going to fertilize or fuse with the XX sex chromosome of the female in the egg. So this will contain 22 autosome and Y sex chromosome. This will contain 22 autosome and 2 sex chromosome. So the fertilization or fusion of these gametes will result in 22 plus 22 44, Y 1Y and 2X. So 44, 45, 46, 47. So this individual suffering from Klinefelter will have 47 chromosome with one extra X chromosome. So this Klinefelter arises because of the condition called as trisomy. Trisomy refers to the addition of one extra X chromosome. Morphologically, these males are sterile and have feminized characters with underdeveloped genitalia and exhibit some degree of breast development. So breast development in case of male is called as gynecomastia. They also exhibit mental retardation and have limited intelligence. The third is the super female. Super female arises because of the non-disjunction of the XX sex chromosome in female. The male sex chromosome, that is X, will fuse with the female sex chromosome carrying 2X sex chromosome. So this will give rise to 44 plus this one, 44, 45, 46, 47. So in this case, this type of disorder arises in female and due to presence of one extra X chromosome in female. So the super female may contain the chromosome 47, 48 or 49 with the increased addition of the X chromosome. Now, some of the characteristics of this super female are abnormal sexual development and mental retardation. The symptoms in this super female may increase with increase in the number of X sex chromosomes. Such females are abnormally taller than the normal females, and their normal fertility is also being affected to the great extent.